Welcome to episode number 2. On this episode, we're going to talk about the strategy and steps that we have to apply or we're going to apply along the way to get the $10,000 a month, so $500 a day. That is our goal. So we're going to start with every 2 days, we're going to post to Instagram and Pinterest. So we use Hootsuite, we're going to use Hootsuite, you're going to use different one. There is later, there is many others schedules platforms. And every 2 days we're gonna post, and then we have Facebook and YouTube. Now with Instagram and Pinterest, remember we're gonna repost other people content. This is a themed account. And with Facebook and YouTube, because we want to enable the monetization, if you try to repost other people contents, you may get flagged and they're gonna demonetize your channel. So that's why we're gonna have to create our own channel. Don't worry, because I'm gonna show you where to get content and how you can edit your videos as well. So I'm gonna use Adobe Premiere. You can use your phone, you can use anything, and sometimes I also use my phone to edit some videos. And then in Tumblr, we're gonna post daily, or also we can schedule, and we're gonna follow and unfollow. To basically follow and unfollow works in every single social media that you're gonna encounter or you're gonna see along the way. So we're gonna use it here, and we're gonna apply also other strategies to improve for better conversion. The other one gonna be Shopify. Once a week, let's say once a week, we're gonna post to Shopify new products. We're gonna find new products on AliExpress. Dropship Center is a place where you're gonna see products with a lot of volume of sales, and we're gonna use also test these products on our stores so that we can have better conversion rates. And then there's another one here. Every day we're gonna check our analytics. So we're gonna check our analytics for Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, Tumblr, and the Shopify daily. It must be daily so that we can see if we are failing something or we have to improve in any way something, and so on. And then there is something here, and that is like every day for 10 minutes we have to pitch businesses, right, for shoutouts. It's important because we're going to use our Instagram or Pinterest to sell also shoutouts. We can use myip.ms, which is a place where you can find a lot of Shopify stores URL, and or even Instagram. It's also easy there. Every 2 days we're going to find a new product on ClickBank to sell. Now for here we're gonna sell the people products and they pay us, so that, and this one we're gonna sell and then get commission for every sale that we have or we make. And for every 2 hours we're gonna learn something else, like daily we're gonna take 2 hours to learn something on YouTube, books, whatever it takes to achieve this goal. Now also daily we're gonna take 30 minutes for self-improvement, which means like reading something different, something new, something especially for mindsets, and we have to take 1 day off. For me it's like gonna be Saturday, because I think that, I don't know, just feels better for me. Like Saturday I go to the forest, I go do something differently. It all definitely helps. You have to take a day off. I remember that most of the time when I decided to take some day off, when you get stuck on a project and you don't see ways to get better or to improve, you just focus on something else, to go to the books, do something completely different from what you used to do, and then suddenly the answer comes, and then you just come back in a few minutes and then you solve the problem. And it definitely helps. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do, and now I'm going to my computer. So to finish this episode, I'm going to show you exactly how you're gonna get started for the next episode. So for instance, if you don't own any accounts, let's say Instagram accounts or Tumblr account or YouTube accounts, one of the easiest way is to buy. You can come to this website. It's called Epic NPC, which is a place that you can buy pretty much anything, like from gaming accounts, powers in gaming stuffs, and also different social media accounts. If you just scroll down all the way almost to the bottom, and then there is a social media tab, social media, and then you select the type of account that you want to buy. Now Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, there are plenty. It's almost in almost everything that you want to find, you will find here. So, or even Tumblr also, if you want to buy it. Let me give you an example with Instagram, which is the one that I encourage you, if you don't have, to buy at least one with 3,000 followers, which will not cost you that much. And let me open Instagram to show you how you can not how you can find a good deal and get the most value on your deal that you are trying to make right now. So let's me just filter here by followers. Let's say more than 1,000 followers. I don't want to list accounts with less than 1,000 followers, which for me is not interesting, neither for you or either for you. Don't even try to buy account with less than 3,000 followers. For this example, let's filter for 1,000 followers plus. Okay, our filter is being applied. Just all right, so let me scroll down to check which one we are going to buy. This one 11,000, this one 192. So you can scroll down. Fitness is another good niche. Now the niche that I encourage you to get into is fitness, luxury, babes, I mean babies, right? Not babe like models, but babies, newborns. And you can get also into animals like dogs, pets, puppies, pit bulls, and all these things in between, which will be something interesting. My computer is a little bit slow, which all right, now it's already done. So this account with 5,000 followers, babes, you see, babes, don't even buy this one, babes. No, odd babes, no, these models, don't even try to buy this. It's not for profitable. You will just lose your money and your time. I don't encourage you to do that. So let me show you an example of a bad account that you shouldn't buy, even if the price is very, very good. Selling 4K animal pets page, only $30. Okay, let me open this page. So what you do, before you buy the account, you get the name of the account. If it leaves the account, the name of the account here. If it doesn't leave the name of the account, just contact the owners or send in a DM. You can hit a DM or just write your reply here to ask for the name to check the account. Let's say because he left this username, we're gonna use this username and see the account on the Instagram page. This is the name of the account, right? You can check the engagement, you'll see, and then you open Social Blade. Social Blade is a place where you're gonna see of the engagement of the account, if also the account is growing or is just losing followers every single day. If the account is losing followers or if they are losing followers, don't even try to buy, because if you are just starting out, you don't have that much experience in that area, and you don't want to lose your time with something that will require a lot of time. So you are buying time, so don't try to even to buy account that will just get you to lose more and more and more time. This is one of the way, and let's just wait. It's taking a little bit time. All right, so you check the engagement of the account and see if the account is growing. For instance, you can see that this account is losing followers every single day. Because you are a beginner, you don't want to waste your time trying to make this account to work. So leave it, go to the next one, search for a different account. I found this one, and then I went to Social Blade again to see if this account is growing. And this is the results that I got from here. You see this account is growing monthly 6,000 followers. So it means that this is an account that it's possible, or better, you have the chance to buy without spending too much time to make it grow. The account is already at 8,000 followers and they are selling for $100. So, and it's growing 6,000 followers a month, and it will just increase if you keep posting and getting good exposure as well. So that's it, guys. So you simply send the message, hey, can you send me the insights right here? Send me the insights and see the countries of the accounts, and they have to be mostly from United States of America or any other top tier countries, let's say Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and all these places. And the other thing that I encourage you also to buy here, in case that you want to buy, is YouTube accounts. Okay, enable YouTube account. I mean, the monetization needs to be enabled, otherwise it's just a waste of time. You just select one of these and then send them a message, and from there you can agree the price. It's all the same as the one I showed you in the beginning. Now from Facebook account you can also buy here, but I encourage you to buy way more cheaper, like on Facebook groups. You just type on Facebook pages or Facebook ad break, and then you're gonna show you a lot of different groups. You gotta filter by groups and send an invitation, join different groups, and when you join different groups, then they will, when they accept you, you will see like a lot of posts from different people, like asking, let's say this guy needs another page, he wants to buy a page, he needs a page, there are people asking to buy page, and there are people selling pages. So this is very easy. If you want to buy page in some particular niche, just type I want a page in X niche, and they will pretty much send you a DM and say hey, or DM me, and so on. It will be very easy. So guys, this video is way too long. I want to keep all the videos at least 10 minutes long. And remember, you gotta have your Pinterest account, you gotta have your Twist account, your Facebook page, your Instagram account to make it to work, all the other levels. So I see you on the next video. Basically, this is our tools that we're gonna use to build our Burj Khalifa.